Hi, this is Steve O'Hare from Signal Centre. Welcome to our weekly review on crude oil. We're going to look at the WTI crude oil levels first, and then we're going to hop over to Brent crude oil. So initially, I'll take a view on the weekly chart and then drill down to shorter time frames to give you a little bit more of a view of what we're doing and what levels to look for. We believe we're in a five-wave move higher, an impulsive move higher, typical of Elliott wave, and the current price action is a fourth wave correction before the extension higher. The extension higher will be signaled after a break of 67.80 on this chart. Slightly different levels on the Brent crude oil, but we'll hop across those soon. We can see that price action this week, this is the candlestick for this week, has been very bullish. We had the potential for a doji evening star candle formation last week. These three candles: a bullish candle, the doji candle, the indecision candle, and then the sell-off. However, we've recovered the lost ground and we're re-challenging the 66.76 resistance. Support now comes in below at 62.86, 61.93 and 60.63. Let's take a look at the daily chart, and we can see a little bit clearer now where we had the sell-off and the corrective move higher, and a little bit of a retest. Really, we could bring that support down to 61.60. A break of 60.63 should lead to a move or a retest of 57.23, and then we believe we've got a basically would have a vacuum type of move, a really aggressive move down to $54. However, we're not really focusing on that. We're focusing more on these resistance level, as this is where it's closer to the price action, trading at 66.08 at the moment. And we're looking for another retest of 66.76, a break of there, and it should be quite a straightforward move to 67.78. And above there, we're looking to really target $70 plus. So looking at the short-term time frames, we're above the hourly Ichimoku cloud, so looking positive. And even if we take a look at the impulsive move here, it feels again like we are in the middle of an impulsive move, albeit on a shorter time frame. Really looking for the fifth wave to complete either at 66.76 or 67.78 before a further correction, maybe to this Ichimoku cloud support. So that is, let's take a look at the Brent crude. From a weekly perspective on the Brent crude, similar price action obviously over the last 3 or 4 weeks. The evening star formation looking good potential. However, ground has been recovered this week, and we're looking to re-target the 69.80 level as the level of resistance before challenging $71.10. So the daily chart showing the correction higher. We can bring support really back into not just the Ichimoku cloud, but anywhere between 64 and 64.50. We've got decent support. Below there, 60.44, and again, the sort of vacuum move would be down to 57.40. However, again, focusing really on these higher levels, the 69.80 within spitting distance now, 115 points higher. With Wednesday's inventory report out later, this could allow us to challenge this resistance. And as I say, a break of that level, that 69.80 level, should be a straightforward move to 71.10. Levels to watch above there, looking really at $73 and $75. Well, thanks for joining me for the crude oil report. I look forward to chatting again next week.